Want to know my biggest baking secret? These taste just like the famous $6 Crumbl chocolate chip cookies, but they're homemade and they cost less than $1 each to make. You don't even need to be an experienced baker. I promise this recipe is foolproof. You're going to start by creaming together your butter and sugars until they are fluffy. Then you're going to drop in your eggs and vanilla extract. Then we're going to go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. In a bowl, you are going to add flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Give them a quick stir and then dump into the butter mixture. Then you're going to turn your mixer back on, and when it's all well and combined, you're going to add lots of chocolate chips. When this dough is ready, roll into 5-ounce portions and then flatten them. Give them a quick freeze while you preheat the oven, and in the oven they go. Look at this perfectly chewy texture. Did you see those gooey chocolate chips? Each cookie's over 5 ounces, and that's huge. One bakery cookie costs $6, and this entire batch costs less than $10. Save this recipe for fresh, warm cookies without the markup. Follow for more money-saving recipes.